Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon, just in case you don't know. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're just going to be doing some kind of Valentine look. I'm not going to go like all crazy. I'm just wearing a regular shirt. I got some pink nails today. I don't know if you guys can see. Pretty pink nails and a pink shirt. So I figured I would do a nice pink look on my eyes today. For Valentine's Day, you guys can follow along if you want. I don't know if you guys have the same products that I do, but okay, so we're going to start with the eyelids and prime them with some concealer. I've already moisturized. To be honest with you guys, I already had makeup on today, but I came home and took it off so that I could do this video with you guys. I'm just going to use my Real Techniques sponge to blend that concealer in. That was the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. And today I'm going to be using my Coty Airspun powder to set that because I think the Coty Airspun is better than the Maybelline Fit Me loose setting powder. I think it's a little more finely milled. I don't know, it just doesn't make my eyes look cakey like the Maybelline one does. I hope the lighting and everything is okay, you guys. I'm using the back camera on my phone again, but I've changed the setting to like a better quality. But I thought I'll put it at the highest quality and see how good we can get this video. And I hope the lighting is okay. I think last time the lights were too close, so it was making it my skin look really bright and pale. Anyway, moving right along. Yeah, I think I'm going to use the Modern Renaissance and these single shadows from ColourPop. I have a lot of pretty pink ones here. This kind of actually reminds me a little bit of Love Letter, although Love Letter is a little darker. So I'm going to go and I'm going to take Secrets, which is this one by ColourPop. And I'm just going to pop that probably all over the lid. Starting in the crease and working my way down. And I got my hair cut today, guys, and I absolutely love it, but the only thing is she put this oil in my hair, and it smells great, but because it's an oil and my hair is really thin, it kind of made my hair look a little stringy, so don't mind that. Okay, so then I'm going, did I say what this was? I think this is my Luxie 205, and then I'm going in with my Luxie, no, that was my Luxie 229. Yeah, and then I'm going to be going in with my Luxie 205 into Modern Renaissance, into Love Letter right there. I love this color, it's so pretty. And I'm just going to be concentrating that on the outer portion of the lid. I'm just trying to blend this so it doesn't look like it's in a line, you know? And then back into Secrets. And just to blend, my hair's driving me nuts. Just to blend the edges out. Soften them up. Can't even talk today. Soften these bad boys up. But while I have your attention, you guys, I would really appreciate it so much if you would go down below and subscribe to my channel. That's if you like me, of course. And if you do subscribe to my channel and you do like the video, please hit the like button. and also share this video with your friends. I would really appreciate it. And now I'm going to be going into this soft core, this color right here. And I'm just going to go back and forth between these two colors just to make it more of like a transition. Those two colors look nice together actually. So I'm doing that in the center. And now I'm going to go into this shimmery color right here, and it's called On the Fence. And this is a e.l.f. dense crease brush, I think, or something. I'm not sure, you guys, sorry. And I'm going to concentrate that on the inner portion of the eyelid. Okay, and now I'm just going to go and finish the other eye, and I'll be right back with you, and then we will finish the rest of the eyes, and, you know, I'll probably do my brows off camera as well. So yeah, I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, so the brows are done, and I finished this eye. I threw on some foundation and concealer, and I set it all. So now let's just finish up the eyes. I'm going to go in with, let's see what brush I'm going to use. I'm going to go in with this pencil brush into Love Letter, which is in Modern Renaissance. And I'm just going to be taking that on the outer portion of the lash line. I was going to say last. The outer portion of the lash line. I'm somewhat winging it out as well. Now I'm going to go into Soft Core again, which is this shade of the ColourPop eyeshadow. I think I'll clean this brush off first. Use the same brush and take it into the center of the lash line. Essentially, we're just mirroring what we did on the lid. Clean it off and then go into On the Fence right here. Make sure it's in the inner corner to highlight it, and then bring it into the lash line. Inner corner. And lash line. I hope I don't seem a little too off to you guys, but lately I've been having these stomach aches. I don't really know why, but I do plan on going to the doctor to find out what's causing them, because when they come on, they are intense. So I apologize if sometimes I may seem a little off. Okay, you guys? I really like the way the eyeshadow came out. It looks pretty. Okay, you guys, I just did my lashes off camera because I was having issues today for some reason. I'm just going to use this black Hikari gel eyeliner on the waterline. And I'm also going to tightline with it. Okay, so I forgot to mention that I did apply a little bit of this mascara to my top lashes, and this is the Elizabeth Arden Lasting Impression mascara. So I put a little bit of that on my top lashes, and now I'm going to apply some to my bottom lashes. Okay, you guys, so now you can, when it comes to the lips, you can choose a nude, a nice nude color, or you can go bold. So nude or bold. What if I did half nude, half bold? Okay, I'm gonna go bold. I'm gonna go with ColourPop's Ultra Satin Lip in the color The Rabbit. I love this lipstick, it's so pretty. So we're going bold, you guys. I'm so sorry, you guys. I had a problem with my camera again, but this is the overall look. I hope you guys like it. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.